gratitude like a sycamore grows. Her long-armed branches reach tall and skyward, now that the sunlight of day is at its longest. Her roots have dug deeply, and you, a nearby sapling, have felt the shift in the dirt. You've felt the rusted expansion of dense space in these layers of earth that were once compacted and worn down. Worms have tunneled this soil, gnawing away at decaying matter. Can you feel the chomp at all that feeds you? Creeping, crawling alchemists, transforming death into nutrients, harmoniously fueling all of us that stand swaying in this musical forest.